Cars are changing faster than my patience when a customer says, "It just started making that noise today." Electric and hybrid systems are taking over the roads everywhere. If you're a mechanic, you either adapt or get left behind like a carburetor in a Tesla. Today, I'm breaking down what every mechanic needs to know about working on hybrid and electric cars in 2025. We'll talk about safety, tools, and real problems showing up in shops right now. In the last few years, hybrids and EVs have exploded in popularity. They're not just batteries on wheels, they're rolling computers packed with sensors and software. These systems can run up to 600 volts, which is enough power to make your hair stand up permanently. Old-school mechanics worry about oil changes and exhaust leaks. Modern mechanics deal with software updates, cooling systems, and complex diagnostics. If you can't read data streams or use an insulation tester, you're falling behind. This new era isn't just about muscle, it's about precision and knowledge. Let's talk about 3 common hybrid repair problems every shop should watch for. Number 1. Battery cooling fans. Dust, hair, or blocked vents can cause the fan to fail and overheat the battery. That leads to warning lights, poor performance, or the car dropping into limp mode. Clean the vents and check airflow during every service. Number 2. Inverter and converter failures. These parts control how power moves between the battery, motor, and engine. When they fail, you'll see jerky acceleration, weird power loss, and a Christmas tree of warning lights. Always check for recalls and updated parts before replacing anything. Number 3. Software issues. Hybrids rely on firmware updates just like your phone does. Skip one update and modules stop communicating. Cue random fault codes and frustration. Keep your scan tools updated and read service bulletins carefully. Now, let's talk about safety and tools. High-voltage systems can seriously injure you if you don't respect them. Always wear high-voltage gloves, use insulated tools, and follow lockout procedures. Never assume a cable is safe just because the car is off. Learn your manufacturer's isolation steps and double-check with a meter every time. If you're serious about the future of this trade, invest in EV-rated tools and proper training. Customers will pay more for mechanics who can service hybrids safely and confidently. The auto industry is changing fast, but mechanics who learn this new technology are about to dominate. So keep learning, stay curious, and never be afraid to adapt. Because the future of mechanics isn't just under the hood. It's in the data, the voltage, and your willingness to evolve. Subscribe for more real-world repair tips, and tell me in the comments what hybrid issue you fought with lately. Keep those tools sharp and your gloves insulated.